This is Kachu fan. This is my Mecha Godzilla toy. The hand can rotate 360. Even the neck, but a little bit. It can rotate 360. You can turn it around. The legs can just stay comfortable, and the tail does too. It's very hard, and the body too. But you almost can turn it 360, but the spikes are on the way, so I don't want to pop it out. And okay. You can see all the decorations here. The paint job's very good. And you can see the things with here. And the feet have some decorations too. And here are those little red things. And his eyes red. Red lines, and I don't know what this is for, but they need to have the words to know how need to do it. And this is where he take off, but he do like this, the shooting thing. What you ever call it? It came off the fires like that, and like that, and Godzilla came and he just hold it like this, and the fire keep going fast. He just don't walk like backwards. It's too fast. And when the fire stops, he throw it away. So next time when I see you again, and I need to get my another question. Wait, okay? I'll be back.